Hello everyone. So in this video we will be looking into an interesting program related to chapter number 7, that is array. So in this program we will be looking if we have list of 20 students where name and marks of those 20 students are mentioned, and if we have to find the name of the students who scored less than 40 and another list of the students who scored more than 80. So let's see how we can create the logic of this program, and I will directly show you how we can write the program in BlueJ. So first of all, I will take the class name as students, and here what I will do, I will take the values of students. So here I will initialize two array variables. One is of string name, which is of array type, and another is of int marks, which is again array type. And I will mention the name and their respective students' marks on same index position, like this. So here you can see that the 0th index is having some name and 0th index of marks variable is having some value. So these are the corresponding values of each and every student depending upon their index position. Now I will create method which will calculate below 40 marks. So calculate 40, and I will take another method that will calculate above 80. So these are the two methods that I will create. Now we know that for traversing from each and every value that is present inside the array, we have to make use of loop statement. So here I will use variable I, which will go from 0 to the last index, that is 19, and I will keep on incrementing the value of I. Now I will check if the marks of the student that we are traversing, is it less than 40. So if marks at ith index is less than 40, if this is the case, then what I will do, I will print the name of the student. I am not printing the marks here, I am printing the name of the student. So name which is present at ith index. Similarly, when we are going for the value for the marks which are greater than 80, the same thing we will apply over here. So for I equals to 0, I less than 20, and incrementing the value, we will take if statement. If the marks at ith index is greater than 80, then simply we will print the value which is present at that position of index, and we will print the name which is present at that position. Now I will create main method where we will create object of the class, that is students, S equals to new students, and then simply we will call both the methods, that is calculate 40 and another method, that is calculate 80. For your reference, I have attached one picture over here which contains the student name and their respective marks which they have scored. So while we are seeing the output, we can easily verify that this particular student marks, is it matching to our array list that we have taken at the start of the program. So if we compile and see the output of this, then we can see that these are the name of the students, but overall both the list is combined together. So in order to differentiate the list, what I will do, I will write a printing statement over here that the students which are having marks below 40, and same thing I will write in second method the name of the students having marks above 40, above 80, and over here having marks below 40. Now if we compile and see the output, then we can see that name of the students having marks below 40 are Jai and Pooja, and name of the students having marks above 80 are Arun, Yug, Ishan, Vimesh, Harmit, Akash, Dhruvi, Nil and Atharva. And also you can verify the list of the students by the pic which I have attached, and yeah, we can see that this is the correct logic using which we can obtain the marks of students which are having below 40 and the student whose marks are above 80. So this was a program related to where we are checking for condition over one variable and applying the calculation over other variable. So depending upon the values or data that we have in one variable, we are performing some set of instructions over another variable. So this was just a simple explanation of how we can make use of condition statements over one variable and apply those conditions over the other variables, be it 1, 2 or more than 2. We can apply n number of conditions over one and then apply same over the another. So here I have applied the condition only on this marks variable, and depending upon what is the condition, we are getting the output of the data that is there in name variable. Now if you have any other query related to this program, then you can ask your query in comment section, and if you have any other questions related to this concept, then you can send your questions on my mail ID. So that's it for this one. See you in the next video.